Start. Now this is rectangle, and a rectangle has how many sides? 4 sides. Very good. What is the second figure?
4 sides. Square.
Second figure is square. This is square, isn't it? How many sides a square has?
4.
4 sides. Very good. And what is the third figure?
Circle.
Circle. This figure is called circle. How many sides a circle has?
No sides.
No sides. A circle doesn't have any sides. It is a round figure, right? And what about the last one? What is the last one drawn over here?
Triangle.
Very good. Do you remember the spelling and all?
Yes.
Just revise
3
spellings,
sides.
okay?
3 sides.
A triangle has
3 sides.
3 sides. Very good. All of you remember. Only the circle is a figure which doesn't have any sides, isn't it?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
what we are going to learn this year is, now I'm going to ask one thing. Do you know how this side is formed? You told me that rectangle has 4 sides, isn't it? How the sides are formed? We are drawing. What we are drawing on the screen? What I have drawn over there? Something I have drawn over there, right? What is drawn?
Shapes.
Shapes. I had drawn shapes, but how I have drawn? For drawing a rectangle, what is needed?
Lines.
Lines, very good. For drawing the figures, lines are needed, isn't it? 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line. When we will draw 4 lines, we are getting a rectangle. What about triangle? How many lines has to be drawn? 3 lines has to be drawn. 1, 2, 3. When 3 lines are drawn, we will get a triangle. This year, we are going to learn about the lines. 3 types of lines are there. Okay. Different types of lines. 3 different types of lines are there. The main line. The line is drawn by using a scale, straight line. Then what we will do? We have to put 2 arrows like this. The arrows is meant that we can extend that straight line to both such sides. How much we want, that much we can extend it. It is
rectangle. Square.
So three different types of lines are there.
Yes.
The first one is known as main line. That line will be having two arrows. We are putting the two arrows because if we will rub that arrow, it can be extended as much we want, we can extend it. Okay.
Yes.
Got? So line will be having two arrows at the end. What is the use of that arrow? Why that arrow is put? If we will rub that arrow, the line can be extended. Suppose I am rubbing that line, we can extend this line again. Okay? If I will rub this side can be extended. Okay, children? The next one is called, next one is line segment. The first one is line. Line will be having two arrows at the end. The next one is line segment. This line segment, first for line what we have drawn? We have drawn a straight line. Straight line is to be drawn and we have to put 2 points at the end. Got? For line, we will be having 2 arrows at the end. For line segment, we will be having 2 points at the end. Got? Question?
Line segment എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ
Got?
line
So
having
what is the
two
difference
points.
between line and line segment?
Line having 2 arrows.
Did you get, children?
Yes.
What is the difference between line and line segment?
Line having
Line will be having?
Line having 2 arrows. 2 arrows.
Line will be having 2 arrows. And what about the line segment?
2 points.
Line segment will be having?
2 arrows.
Line will be having 2 arrows.
ഇതെന്താ?
2 arrows.
And line segment will be having 2 points at the end. Now, did you get the difference?
ഇതായോ?
Yes, ma'am.
മനസ്സിലായോ? Line having 2 arrows. അടുത്തത് line segment will be having 2 points.
So, what is the difference between line and line segment?
പറ.
What
Line
is the difference between line and line segment? Line will be having 2 arrows and line segment will be having 2 points at the end. So, whether the line can be extended, whether it can be made big, yes, the line can be made big by rubbing that arrow, but line segment cannot be made big because it is having a full stop at the end. Got?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let me see. What is this? This is a line or a line segment?
Line segment.
line segment. How did you understand that this is line segment? How did you identify?
Have a 2 points.
It has 2 points at the end. What about this one? It's a line. How can you identify? How will you identify those? 2 arrows. Line will be having 2 arrows and line segment will be having
2 points.
points. Understood? Did you get the difference between both? Got?
Yes.
Now let me ask. What is this? Line segment or line?
Line.
Line or line segment?
Line segment.
This is line segment because it is having 2 end points. Full stops are there. So this is a line segment. What about this one?
Line segment.
Again, this is line segment, right?
Yes.
What about this one?
Line segment.
Line segment. Last one again from this point to the last point. Again, this is a
Line
line
segment.
segment. So how many line segments are drawn over here? 4 line segments are drawn over here. So what is this figure called?
Rectangle.
Very good. This figure is called rectangle. Rectangle has how many line segments? 4 line segments. So a rectangle will be having 4 line segments. Now I am going to draw another figure. What is this? Line segment or line?
Line segment.
Line segment. First line segment, second line segment, third line segment, and the last one. What is this figure? Square. So a square has how many line segments?
4.
4 line segments. Very good. Now another one. What is this? Whether it is a line or a line segment?
Line segment.
Line segment. First line segment, second line segment. Again, I am joining these 2 points, so it became again third line segment, right? How many line segments this figure has?
Triangle.
3 line segments are there, and this figure is called triangle. Got? How many line segments a rectangle has? 4 line segments. How many line segments a rectangle has? 4. What about triangle? How many line segments a triangle has?
3.
3. How many line segments a square has? 4. Very good. Now,
4.
now what is the difference? Let me ask someone. When I will call the name, only that person has to answer. Okay, let me see how many of you have understood. Adidev M. Nair. How many line segments a rectangle has? Adidev.
Yes, ma'am.
Adidev, can you hear me, my dear?
Yes.
Yes. How many line segments a rectangle has?
4.
4. Very good. Now, Giselle. Can you hear me, my dear? Giselle? Yes. How many line segments a triangle has?
3.
3. Very good. A triangle has 3 line segments. A rectangle has 4 line segments. Now, let me call somebody else. Shine Shijo. Shine, can you hear me? Shine. Can you hear me, Shine? All of you mute yourself. When I will call your name, at that time only you have to unmute. Okay. Otherwise, you have to be muted. Your microphone is to be muted. Understood? Adidev CN. What is the difference between line and line segment? Adidev CN, can you hear me? Yes. What is the difference between line and line segment? Line will be having 2 arrows. Very good. Very good, Adidev. A line will be having 2 arrows. If we will rub that arrow, we can extend it as much as we can. If we want to extend, we can extend it. Okay. What about line segment? What does it have at the end? It has 2 points. Very good. A line has 2 arrows at the end. A line segment has 2 points at the end. A line can be extended as much as we want to extend. But the line segment cannot be extended because it has 2 full stops at the end. Understood? Yes. Now I will send the notes in the WhatsApp. Don't copy down all these things. I will send you the notes in the WhatsApp and you have to copy down those notes in your square book. Okay? Now I will wind up the class. What we have learned today? Abigail, what we have learned today? What is the new thing we learned? Abigail. Where is Abigail? Jaron. Can you hear Jaron?
Yes.
Jaron can hear. So what is the new words we learned today? We learned 2 new words, right? What were the 2 new words we learned? One is line and the other one is line. Line. Nived, just unmute yourself and tell me what are the new words we learned today.
Line and line segment.
Very good. The 2 new words we have learned today is line and line segment. The difference between these two is line has 2 arrows and if we will rub that arrow, it can be extended as much we want to extend. And line segment, it has 2 points. 2 full stops, 2 points at the end. So we cannot extend that line segment. That is the difference between the line and line segment. Will you forget these 2 new words? In the next class, I will ask. Okay, don't forget these 2 words. First word is line and the second word is line segment. If you have a book, just write these two words in your book and learn it. Because in the next class, I am going to ask the difference between these two. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. The time is up, so I'm winding up the class now. Learn line and line segment. The difference between these two is
Thank you, ma'am.
okay.
Thank you,
The
ma'am.
difference between line and line segment is line has two arrows at the end. It can be made big. And the line segment has 2 points at the end and it cannot be made bigger. Understood? Okay. Thank you, children. Next day, I will ask the questions.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, children.